A Cape Cod-style home with hardwood floors and classic features such as wide baseboards throughout. Offers 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a powder room. Replacement windows. The main level offers a spacious living room and dining room combination with an additional light-filled room that can function as a formal dining room, a home office, a den, or anything your heart desires. The dine-in kitchen has a good-sized movable island that adds storage and seating space. The kitchen provides access to the deck and backyard. A 3-season sunroom completes the first floor. On the second level, you will find 2 spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets and a full bath. The yard is partially fenced and has lots of options for gardening and play. Close to hospitals, schools, trains,